This weekend on the Austin Healey channel, we're at the British Sports Car Owners Club of Luxembourg's rally. This is the first rally I've ever done, so it will be interesting. Apparently it's a modified rally because of COVID, so it's really more like a drive around the country. But there's some beautiful cars here, and we should have a lot of fun. Here's our directions.
Oh my god, 2 pages of directions and the questions.
Okay then. So it's good this isn't a timed rally because my speedometer stopped working right after we left.
Okay. Well, maybe we're not in the right spot.
I don't know. Other cars went here.
Yeah?
There's more cars behind us.
Okay.
I think this is exactly the kind of road that they would plan for us to drive down. We're in the north because these are the brown cows. Mr. Cow, we're lost. We're looking for Beardorf. Oh, it's right there? Thank you.
It's at this point we had to break off from the group and head home due to a prior appointment. My wife and I were both disappointed we couldn't finish the rally. We both really enjoyed the experience. These roads were hand-picked by British car enthusiasts who know the country very well. They were able to pick the perfect roads for these kind of cars, and the views were fantastic. After we got home, my wife started looking for when the next rally would be.